Guys, I put together this super easy one pot chicken and rice, and my twist on it is that this is a rice pilaf with some chicken thighs. You see that? Yumshous. So guys, look at how easy the rice falls on the plate. It's so shelly, it's so flavorful, and check out the chicken. The skin is for later. The chicken juicy. Let me just open it up and show you. There it is. So guys, this is the recipe I want to share with you. So what I did was to brine my chicken overnight, and what I'm doing here is to remove the excess skin. Skins removed. Now I'm patting them dry. And guys, to be frank, I did not have to put any seasoning on these chicken. But being a Jamaican, we love with seasoning. So I'm going to sprinkle some all-purpose under the skin, at the back, and on top of the skin. Pat everything in to ensure the entire surface is covered, including under the skin. And now it's time to fry. So I'm using, what type of oil is this again? I'm using avocado oil and some ghee. And these 4 pieces of chicken thighs are going to be fried 6 to 8 minutes on both sides. You know chicken thighs take a long time to cook. It is not like the chicken wings, so I'll give them 8 minutes on both sides. Flip them, and then this is what they look like after 2 8 or 16. Yeah, after 16 minutes. Yeah, it smells real good in here. I like it. All of it. So I'm removing the excess oil. Leave the crumbs in the pot. We're going to need that for additional flavor later. I'm gonna use half cup of orzo pasta, and this is how I do my rice pilaf. I'm gonna leave it in the pot until everything becomes brown, golden brown, a pretty little color, just like this. Guys, I can hardly stir this because of the chicken bits that were remaining on the bottom of the pot. But once I add these chopped veggies, everything is going to just loose up. So I'm adding garlic, the bell pepper, the onion, the parsley I'm leaving for last. And I'm going to saute the orzo and, I wonder if I pronounce that good. Saute the pasta and the vegetables together for around and I just let it stay here for 2 minutes, and bam, we're done. Result, but first, remember that sauce, I'm going to just pour it all over. Yeah, it does add a lot of flavor, and the lime just really balance things out. This dinner, I couldn't stop eating it. Back to back to back. Man, I was like, more, give me more. It was so good. Guys, guess what? This is it. Thank you for watching. Remember, if you're new, to subscribe, ring that bell, and share this video for me. I'll see you soon. Until then, walk good. Peace.